So let's look at how to log in cdcassessments.siet.ac.in. This is the ID. You would have already got the link, and use Chrome browser. Do not use any other browser. Give the user ID which has been given to you. So I'll use a temporary user ID now. And use the password which has been given to you. So once you have given the user ID and password, you will get to a screen, right? So this is the screen where you will get to. So here in the screen, you enter your name, right? So it's just loading now. So once it has loaded, so the candidate, all you have to do is to give your date of birth. I'll give a temporary date of birth, and then give a profile picture. So I'm giving my picture. So save your picture somewhere, and that has to be uploaded. So you cannot edit any of the other fields. We have given it as temporary ones. So here you can skip this entire thing and click the update button. So once done, you will see a course, right? So click the select button. There will be a course that you will see, right? So I'll take a temporary one for a course, right? So click here, click courses. So you will get to the screen, right? So you will be a faculty online test will be there, which is what you will take. So I'll do the take test. So it gives a screen like this, where 35 seconds it will launch. You cannot switch screens. If you do a switch screen now, system will automatically take you out of the test. So don't do a switch screen or alt tab or any other window. You will have to be on the screen while you take the test. So first 20 seconds, and after that you will have 90 minutes time and 5 questions will be given, right? So that's how the tests have been configured. So let me show the test screen. Once you are there on the test screen, it becomes much easier for you to take the test. I'll show you that. So this is the screen where a program will be given on the left side. So once you see the program, here you will actually type your actual code, right? So here you see the programs. If you want to choose a different language, choose the language which you want to do here. First thing is to do this. Second, read the question and then read the sample test cases which are given here. So here the program will give you what is the expectation. This is the input and this is the expected output from the program. So you will see the input here, you will see the expected output. In many programs, there will be a number here which will give you the total number of test cases, right? So here you have to type your code. Once you have, so let's take a simple code. I'll do it in C, which is not related to this, but still I'll show you how it is done. So if you try to do a switch tab, this is what is the error you will get. Okay, you can cancel this. This is the first time, so it will allow you to continue. But if at all you do a switch tab again, it will take you out of the test. So I'm just doing a simple program. So this is not the response to this particular program which is on the right side. So you have to give this provide input and give your custom input, right? So if you do a compile and run, it will give you, this is the expected output and this is the output you have got. It will give you a particular output, right? So in this particular case, it's expecting a different output. So that's why it's throwing an error. But this is the way you will give your input. So ideally you should give the sample input first in this custom input, and then see if the program is working fine. If it is working fine, if your sample input you are getting the exact same output, then do a submit code. There are hidden test cases which are given. Ideally all the test cases should pass. Programs have been set up in such a way that only if all the test cases pass, you will get marks for this. If all the test cases are passed, then you can click the next button and take the second program. So that's the way you can do it. So let's see how it works out.